I started panic ordering some things on Amazon that I needed ASAP to put into my hospital bag. And I wanted to show you what they were because I think they're pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job picking out these things. First thing is I got this Korean skincare travel size set. I wanted something to take, of course, to wash my face and freshen up after the baby's born. And I thought this was a good little kit to bring. And it was like $20 or under $20. I thought it was a pretty good find. But let's see what the sizes actually are because I can never tell sizes when I'm ordering them. Okay, it's perfect. This comes with a foaming cleanser, eye cream, face serum, and then a moisturizer. It actually all happens to be cruelty-free and vegan too. I think it's a great little package for a travel size. Compression socks. I have heard that this is a really good thing to wear. I'm actually having a C-section, so I've heard that this is good after a C-section, but I felt like I should start wearing them now. That's the one thing that I can tell a difference with compared to having a baby when I was 30 as opposed to 38. There's like a difference in like the veins and the blood flow type of thing. So this was a 3-pack of those. A new bottle of my prenatal vitamins. I love this brand. It's a really great whole food type of prenatal vitamin. It also has iron in it. The one thing I like about this is that it's one daily and the pill is not giant. I had another brand and I just got to the point where I couldn't take it anymore because it was like these 2 giant pills that you had to take every day. And although it was a good brand, I just was like, I hate this. But I love this one because it's only 1 a day. And I'll also continue to take these in postpartum. Hospital bag essentials. I got Alex and I both a travel size of this natural toothpaste and a toothbrush. I just thought it was easier. And honestly, these were only like $1.95 on Amazon. I couldn't believe it. It's jasmine and mint flavor, the toothbrush and the toothpaste in a convenient little pack. Speaking of fresh breath, gum. After a C-section, I have watched so many reels and videos and they all say to be sure that you chew gum immediately after the C-section. Alex really likes this brand, this Spry Natural Peppermint. It's good. It doesn't have aspartame in it, and it's like a xylitol base, which I like the xylitol or the erythritol, but I will be popping this in my mouth as soon as the C-section's over. It helps with like gas and digestion. Apparently, it starts to activate your digestion, even though you're not eating food yet. I was gonna bring my big Stanley. When I read about not using a straw, just drinking it out of the cup helps better with digestion and like getting the gas out of your system. After a C-section, apparently you can like be filled up with like air or gas. I won't be doing a straw. I'll be chewing gum. Also gonna do peppermint tea that helps activate your digestion too and things moving and flowing. I have a few packages here. I can't remember what these are. Maybe these are like nightgowns. It's kind of like a nightgown nursing gown. I didn't want to get like an actual nursing bra. I didn't feel that was necessary. I mean, I don't usually wear bras anyway, so I don't need like a nursing bra. But I like this and it's that really nice stretchy sort of bamboo rayon material. Same thing, another color. It looks nice. And it has the adjustable straps. These will both go in the hospital bag. Oh, this is for the baby. Got these really soft, stretchy onesies also. And I like this color. That was a nice, rich green color. Alex got this filing folder, I guess for paperwork from the hospital that they give you. Yeah, I mean, it's handy. Birth certificate, all that stuff. A 4-pack of this Paw Paw ointment. This stuff is so good. I think it's way better than Aquaphor, and I always used Aquaphor until Alex introduced me to this. Whoa, too much. That's the consistency. It's smoother and better than Aquaphor. I love it. It is my go-to. A couple more things. I got these cooling eye cups for my Manta sleep mask. You can like pop in different eye cups for it, but this is the one that you put in the freezer. This is like been the biggest godsend. If I have a headache or just like need to refresh in the middle of the day and I'm like, I feel like crap or I'm really tired, I will grab these eye cups out of the freezer, pop them in my mask, lay on the bed and like listen to a meditation, and it just totally resets me. Like I cannot recommend these enough, or just the Manta sleep mask in general. Alex uses it every night to sleep. They have like the regular cups, but I love the ones that are cold. I got one more thing, something comfy, more of these little bamboo onesies. At first I didn't have anything newborn, then I only went and bought newborn, and then I thought, wait, now I have everything newborn in like one thing that's 0 to 3. This is, yes, 3 to 6 months. But yeah, just cute little onesies. And I liked that this one had like the gold snaps, which you don't normally see. Normally they're silver. So I was like, that felt a little bit luxe. Oh my goodness. It's just really hitting me that this is real. I mean, not that, I mean, you would think I would this, but when you see like the baby clothes, it's like, oh, 30 days. 30 days. Unless the baby comes early, which that can happen. Every time I say like, oh, it's X date, and people are like, yes, to come early. And also whatever. If it happens, great. I mean, Lily came on her due date, and this time I have a scheduled C-section. I'm feeling better now because I have this great stuff to put in my hospital bag. Let me know if there's something that you just like, the absolute one thing like must have in your hospital bag, or if it was like something you had that you absolutely didn't use, let me know.